Hi, I'm Yazmin and I've come from Hertfordshire today to visit the Dr. Dooku clinic to see Dr. Bisma for an eyebrow transplant.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Bisma Hussain. I'm a hair transplant surgeon working at Dr. Dooku Clinics, London. So today we had Yazmin come in who has experienced eyebrow hair loss in the last year. She mentioned that she felt this happen particularly after her microblading tattoos on her eyebrows, which is also a form of semi-permanent tattoos. Now I've seen a lot of cases like hers before, so I did tell her, you know, we will be able to add hairs to the areas that the hairs have kind of gone missing in, and hopefully give her some fuller and more defined brows at the end of today.
I really want an eyebrow transplant because I found that my hair is super thin, especially towards the tail of the brow. I've been getting microblading and tattooing for so many years and I feel like it's really damaged the hair follicle. So I'm in extreme need of an eyebrow transplant for sure.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to start by deciding what her eyebrow transplant shape will look like, so what she's trying to achieve. Yazmin decided, and we both decided together, that her current microbladed eyebrows have a really good shape, so we're going to go with that and we're just going to fill in the areas where her hair is missing.
The thought of an eyebrow transplant does scare me a little bit, but I do definitely need it, so I'm hoping I just get numbed up and I don't really feel too much. But if it's anything like a hair transplant, it does look a little bit gruesome, so I am a little bit nervous, but I'm super excited to get nice full brows.
What I can do is, the only thing with this tail is just that it's slightly lower, so I'm just going to avoid a tiny bit on this tail. Just going to bring it a tiny bit up, like as you can see here.
Okay.
I'll show you. Just a tiny bit. Just because it goes down a bit, but that's fine. The other one is completely fine as well. So yeah, I would kind of just follow the eyebrow tattoos that you have at the moment, and when you gel them, obviously when you gel them, they'll kind of go a bit more upwards. We're going to start off by extracting some of the hairs from the back of her head, which we're going to use to implant later on. And then after we've extracted the hairs from the back of her head, I'm going to create some small incisions, some small channels where we're going to implant the hairs.
The eyebrow transplant definitely, it was a little bit more intense than what I thought it was going to be. The injections are quite a lot, so if you are a little bit squeamish, it is a lot, but it is super worth it. I think getting it done, laying there and having one hair by, like one each individual hair going in one by one, it does take a bit of time, so you need a bit of patience. I put on some classical music just to kind of relax myself, but yeah, it was definitely worth it. The pain was definitely worth it. When they say pain is beauty, in this case 100% it is. The results are absolutely amazing. I would 100% recommend an eyebrow transplant to anyone who's got thinning brows or you feel like you need that fuller look. It was so amazing, and I didn't realise the results would be instant as well. So I know I am going to lose these hairs and they will regrow, but from the results so far, I'm so glad I done it. I'm super happy with Dr. Dooku and Dr. Bisma. They're so professional. The clinic is amazing and they made me feel at ease. So for anyone who's looking for any treatments, please check them out.